Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Android App Stars. Today I'm going to be featuring a app that I ran across just a few days ago, and it's police detector. It's speed camera radar. Um, it can be the name can be a little bit misleading, but I'm going to do my best to give an accurate review of this app. Let's open it up. Start off. It's powered by Google Maps. So I'm driving right now. The map here is what it's going to show you. Like if I was to go out of here, it's going to show you on the map. As I'm traveling right now, you can see my speed. It's showing my speed. Um, this is really no way to um, like add an alert to maybe show you, maybe to like give you an audible warning if you reach a certain speed. That would be nice, but it's not for that. It's basically just for a visual, and it will show you, your speed matches what your speedometer speed is based on GPS. But as you go, if you go to the map itself, it will show you data where there's like red light cameras, where there's like speed cameras that often police put in like mobile speed cameras, or there's also fixed speed cameras attached to street signs. I've seen a couple of those. But those are what's this app detects. Now what it is a community-based app. So it's very much based on the users inputting the data onto the map of where these items are located at. So to for the whole app to work, it's very much community based, user based, to help it bring it to the full potential for everybody to use it and be most effective. Because with the if you look at this app, is not really like for like live data, which it could be, but it's not. It's also not just for speed traps or speed cameras, but also maybe if it's construction delays, you can put that in there as well. So it's a nice app to have, and like I said, it's powered by Google Maps. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get the. Let me see if I can find some actual. Okay, so here's the data right here, showing where the speed cameras are. So I'm approaching them right now, and this is at an intersection. So this has been like I say, every see whatever on this map you see one of these red pins. This is a marker of either a police camera, speed camera, or some kind of incident, or where there's something, maybe like a a speed trap, where the police have put speed cameras in. So that's the main focus of this app, is to detect where these areas are, so when you get to these areas, you know to watch your speed and avoid a ticket if all possible. So tell me what you think about this app. It's very user friendly. Also, you can add to it, very well. So take a look at it in the Play Store. It's a free download. And thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again next time.